Now we are going to see the top 20 keyboard shortcut keys which we can use in Automation Anywhere A360 environment. So let's start. First we'll begin with Ctrl plus F key. Let me go to the A360 task and we'll hit Ctrl plus F key. When I hit that key, this window pop-up will appears. Find in this bot. So here I will type email. So let me type email here and it will show the results. So 4 results will appear. 1, 2, 3 and let me scroll down. So the fourth one. I got all the lines where the email text is available. Email is available here, email is available like the same. So next option, Control plus G. Like when you hit Control plus G screen, the another window box will appear. So let me type email here. Now you can see the results, like the 4 lines were highlighted, but it highlighted only the particular text, email text. Previously it was highlighted the entire row, but now it's Control plus G. It highlights only the particular text, email text were highlighted. You can use this one. Let me go to the next, Control plus /, which will helps you to enable or disable action. Let me go here, select any of the lines, or you can select multiple lines. Then you have to press Control plus /, not backward. So just use Control plus /. You can see just I hit Control plus /, in order to enable or disable the action. Or else you can select multiple lines and here you can disable or enable. Like the same you can use Control plus /. Key. Okay. So the next item, delete action, which will help you to delete the particular action. You can hit delete key in order to delete the particular line. Next, tab plus left and right arrow. So let me go to the A360 task and I'll hit tab key first. Then here you can see it's highlighted here. So now when you use right arrow or left arrow, what will happen is it will increase the screen size. Here you can see just I am pressing right key. Perfect. So when I use left side key, the width will be increased. You can use this one. As well as tab key will perform for multiple items. Like when I hit tab key multiple times, it will go to the particular text box and it will move to the another task, and it can be used in actions and everywhere. Tab key. Alt plus left and right arrow in order to back and forward browser. So let me open that, and Alt and backward window, left and right arrow. So let me press first, save this task, and once it's saved I'll press Alt plus left arrow. It will directly jump into the previous folder. So now let me open that particular folder, or else you can use Alt plus right key in order to open the file. Then Control plus and Control plus minus. So this one is Control plus minus in order to zoom in and zoom out. Let me press Control plus. At the top you can see the zoom window. Control minus, Control minus. You can press Control plus minus and Control plus for zoom out, Control plus for zoom in, and Control minus for zoom out. You can use this functionality. And then F3. So let me show you. Let me press F3 key. So when you press F3 key, you can find a file from all of your taskbar. So let me type email here, and it will show all of the tasks where the email text is available. So in my 2 of my taskbar, the email text is available. So it was displayed. Next, F5 key. Let me hit F5 key. The run. In order to run, you can directly click on F5 key. If you are a programmer, you may know about that. F5 usually we are using for to run the bot. And F9. F9 is for debugging. So let me press F9 key. Here you can see the debug. Let me know disable the debug. Same key, F9 for enable debug as well as F9 for disable debug. Then shift plus F9 in order to toggle all the breakpoints. So the bot running previously we hit F5, right? That's the reason bot has started, but no worries, it will not complete it. Shift plus F9. Let me press. So let me close this taskbar. I don't want this, and let me press Shift plus F9 key. So just I pressed Shift plus F9 key. So what happened was it was enabled all the lines breakpoints. Let me press Shift plus F9 again. It will disable. Then F11 for full screen. So this is for all the browsers. When you press F11, you can full screen will be enabled, and use the same F11 for disable the full screen. Then Control plus Shift plus R in order to start the recording. So at the top you have the recording. So when you press Control plus Shift plus R, the recording will get started. So here you can see it started. Then Control plus Z when you want to undo any actions. Like in Excel and most of the applications are supported with Control plus Z and Control plus Y, as well as Control plus C, Control plus V. Let me explain you one by one. So currently I will delete this number decrement, or else so okay. Here we have number assigned, right? So let me delete this one, and when I press Control plus Z, it will appear again, and when I press Control plus Y, it will delete again. Control plus C for undo, and Control plus Y for redo actions. Then up and down key. Up and down key is just for moving your cursor up and down. So when you press up key, your cursor will get moved to one line. The down key for one line down. Then page up and page down. So when you know the up and down key will down only one line, and if you wanted to down multiple line, so at the time you can use page down option, which will helps you to down like step. Here when I press page up and page down, most of the scroll bar, you can see the scroll for difference, it will up and down. Next, space key in order to hide and unhide the right side screen. So this screen will get hide or unhide when you press space key. So let me press space key. Here you can see when I repress the space key, this item like this right side window will get hide and unhide using the space key. Then Control plus R in order to reload or refresh the page, and Control plus C. So I have not mentioned here, but let me add here. So Control plus C for copy, and Control plus V for paste. So when you want to copy any text, you can directly click on Control C, and when you use Control plus V, it will get pasted in the same taskbar. But when you want to copy one task from one line from one task and you want to paste it to another task. So let me show you an example here. So let me duplicate this copy. So here we have few lines, right? Now I want to copy this fourth line and paste it on the same task. So at that time I can use Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. But if you want to copy and paste it to another task, like here in my another window I have opened one more task. So if you wanted to copy from this task and paste it into the other task, at that time you have to use copy to shared clipboard option. When you use this option, so now you can go back to the other task where you want to paste that line, and here you can now at the top you will see paste from shared clipboard. Using this option you can copy and paste from another task. So very simple, just you need to select the line and copy to shared clipboard, then you need to move to the another task and paste from shared clipboard. By this method you can copy and paste. If you are in the same task you want to copy and paste, you can use Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Then Ctrl plus R is just for refreshing the page, but here when you refresh everything will get refreshed, and Ctrl plus W which for in order to close the particular browser, and when you use Ctrl plus Shift plus R, that key will Shift plus W, that key will helps you to close all the browsers. Okay, that's it. Let me provide all the details in the video description. You can use it.